Hey gang, welcome back to the SB Mitch Beater Box Extravaganza. That's not what this whole thing is called. Hey, thanks for tuning in. You can follow me on social media stuff here. You can also subscribe to the channel. I don't do giveaways, so there's really nothing in it for you. Hello, pals! Another box from Sole Supremacy. This one was $850 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $900. Clearance! Nothing actually fell from the ceiling. I just edited in. Never mind, you get it. Let's open the box, shall we? Why do I always mess up this way? Cool. This box was from the same week as the $650 box that we opened up a couple weeks ago. And that was a good box. So hopefully this one is too, because I do like good beater boxes. So there are a couple loose pairs. They look like grade school pairs. Let's grab them. First pair out. Ooh, it smells like cigarettes. Ugh. No insoles and a size 6 youth. We got a pair of maroon 6s. They smell like cigarettes, so I will need to put them through the washer, so that's okay. And no insoles. That's kind of a bummer. I mean, they're worn. There's some outsole discoloration. There are lace locks, so that's cool. Okay, so one of them has insoles. Interesting. There's your first shoe out, a size 6 youth, maroon 6. Hey, if you want to buy those, they'll be on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that website is sbmitch.com. It is also boostjedi420.com, because that's funnier. We like to have fun here. Another youth pair. Another pair with one insole. What is going on here? That's so weird. We got a pair of Flu Game 12s. This is probably the 2016 release. Yep, 2016. 6 youth again. No, this is a 5.5 youth, I think. Yeah, 5.5 youth, so a half size down. These are gonna get the same treatment as the last pair because they do smell like cigarettes, but the Rejuvenator laundry system definitely gets cigarette smell out of shoes, which is cool. So, I mean, they're lightly worn, a little bit of dirt. There's a good amount of heel drag, so that's a little bit of a bummer, but that's okay. 5.5 youth, Flu Game 12s. Those are the loose pairs. We got a bunch of boxes here too. Wait, nope, there's more loose pairs. And they're buried. Let's get those out of the way. Got a Jordan 13, size US men's 13. No insoles. Why? Cherry 13s. This is the 2016, 2017 release. These are gonna be cheap because there's no insoles and there's some damage to the toe boxes. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but again, if you have insoles and want to save some money on a very, very good Jordan 13 colorway, there you go, size 13 with no insoles or box. Uh-oh. This box has no top. It's a pair of Converse, size 9.5 men's. They're dead stock. The laces say Feng Chen Wang. It's these. Some kind of Converse. It looks like the outsole got eaten by some kind of outsole monster. So whatever that is, there you go. Size 9.5, dead stock pair of some kind of Converse something. Let's hope the rest of this box is really good. Doesn't really look like it. Size 13 Air Vapormax 97. It's cool. Nice. They worn? Yes, these are worn. No insoles again. What is going on here? Size 13, it's a Silver Bullet Vapormax. It's Air Max 97 upper with a Vapormax outsole, so it makes it crazy comfortable. Again, no insoles though, so that's annoying and a little bit disheartening for a box that costs this much, but there you go. They're in good shape. I mean, the outsoles got very little wear. They just have no insoles, which is annoying, again. Silver Bullet Vapormaxes, size 13. Uh-oh. Another size 13. Air Max 97 Quick Strike. Why? Why do they not have insoles? They come with extra laces, just no insoles though. It's the N64 colorway, N64 inspired colorway of the Air Max 97. Tongue on the right says power and the tongue on the left says reset, which is pretty cool. Comes with a plethora of extra laces. As you can tell, these are inspired by the N64 controllers based on the colorway. Again, no insoles though. I don't understand what's going on here. I'm not a fan of what's going on here. That's just how that's how beater boxes are sometimes. Size 13, Air Max 97, N64s. Looks like the rest is Yeezy. Size 11 and a half, 350 V2. Worn. Hey, there's insoles though. Remember what that's like. These I think are called the Azrael colorway. The laces can't come off, or they can, but you have to cut them. There's a little bit of outsole wear. I don't know if these glow in the dark, they might. There's very little heel drag, which is, you know, there's a lot of heel drag usually on these kind of things. The boost seems to be in good shape. They just need a cleanup. And the insole, the writing is still there, so that's very good. There's still a market for Yeezys. Don't ask me who or why or how, but 11 and a half is a good size for this too. There you go. Cool. This box is testing me. 11 and a half, 350 V2 again. These are worn. We got insoles. It's 2 in a row. Hooray for that. This is the Earth colorway. This is the most Yeezy colorway I've ever seen of any shoe ever. Just have that yellow boost thing. Again, not much heel drag right there, which is good. There's a little bit of discoloration on the boost, but we can easily clean that up. And overall, the shoe's in good shape. It's just a little dirty. Doesn't look like it was worn very long. Full writing on the insole. I don't know if it's going to pick it up because it's the same color, but you know, these earth tone Yeezys that we've seen so many of, and this is just another one to add to the list. So size 11 and a half, 350 V2 in the earth colorway. One more. It's a 700, 11 and a half, 700 V2. These are worn, but very lightly. This could actually pass as dead stock if people do that thing. I think these are the Vanta colorway. So it's kind of triple black. A little bit, I think. It says right there, yes, Vanta. Okay, cool. This is a really good colorway. And I kind of like the 700 V2s. Not as much as the 700 V1s, but this is still a cool silhouette. And this colorway is actually, you know, this is the typical Yeezy colorway that will do very well. Triple blacks, monochromatic Yeezys just do very well. That's just all there is to it because that's pretty much also all they make. Good size too, 11 and a half. Vanta 700 V2, and that's a $900 Sole Supremacy beater box. Wow, this box it might not suck. The value might be good, but it's really annoying to get that many shoes without insoles. Let's see what the numbers say. This box is a big disappointment. Those 3 last ones are probably okay, but the ones before it, just having no insoles is super annoying because, I mean, at least in my opinion, insoles are probably one of the more important. Like, I think the insoles are more important than the box. That's just me when it comes to worn shoes, but yeah, it is what it is. Hey, if you want to buy any of these, they'll be on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is sbmitch.com. Also, before that happens, they're going to be cleaned and disinfected with the Resjuvenator family of products, and you can save 10% on your next Resjuvenator order by using my code. That code is SBMitch10. You can use it at checkout, and it'll save you 10% off the entire order. And they do free shipping, so it's not like you're saving money on shipping. You're saving money on the actual order, which is always a good thing, unlike this box. It smells like weed and cigarettes. It's kind of annoying. Hey, see you next time, I guess. Remember to keep sneakers fun. Or whatever. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching also. Thank you.